recording, and today is the 28th March 2021, and we are at our Sunday call. And the topic today is priorities. None of us have those, right? Or do we? Hi, Jazz, I can see you now. Always eating, always eating. Akele, akele. Okay, guys, so priorities. When I say that word priority, what comes up? Did you ever consider that you have to have a priority? Yes, go ahead. Hi, Usha.
May
I
I?
can well.
Yeah, go
I'll be
ahead.
the maiden. Okay. Priority is one that you chose this topic, priority, and we all prioritize our own self, and we are here. So, one is that. And priority is the way we keep doing the to do, and we are like, okay, ding, 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 first, second, third, and we prioritize. So, we prioritize our to do list, we prioritize our life, we prioritize our work, everything and anything. But right now, I prioritize self love and self learning, and that's why I'm here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anybody else? Huh? What is priority to you, and do you have any priorities? Or can you, not knowing it, not having it, not saying it, still know what your priority is? When you now focus, just close your eyes and say, okay, what's my priority? And what comes up? Nothing comes up.
कवल ट्रुथ बोलूं
हाँ बिल्कुल, झूठ
दांत
तो बोलते ही
दिखाऊंगी
नहीं हम, झूठ तो हम बोलते ही नहीं.
फैमिली फैमिली
Yeah, cool.
then it comes me.
Yeah, you're always third, second,
Yes.
or
We
last.
have done.
You are not in
Now, what is
family.
coming?
1 minute,
Now
Usha.
okay, okay.
I'll come back to you. Mamta, you are not family. You are not in family. You are outside of your family.
Yeah, but giving myself priority is second.
What do you mean?
First come children.
First, tell me, are you part of your family?
Yes.
Then, if you are part of
Yes.
your family, and then you are your first priority. You just said your family is your first priority.
But still, why do we only think first about children?
Why is not a question. You just think.
Yes.
That is, you just think. Why is not a
I'm
question.
not putting myself.
You picked it up from somebody, you learned it for trillions of years. ये गुंडागर्दी चलती आ रही है.
Yes.
उसमें हमें ये समझ में ही नहीं आती कि मैं भी तो पार्ट हूं फैमिली की. अगर ये एक पार्ट सड़ा रहेगा तो क्या फैमिली पर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी होगी? ये पार्ट थ्राइव कर रहा होगा, ये पार्ट जॉयफुल होगा, ये पार्ट एट पीस होगा, ईज जॉय ग्लोरी होगी, चमकती एंथुजियाज्म होगा, तो क्या फैमिली में वो सब कुछ नहीं होगा? तो
Kaval, आज तक भले हम बोलते हैं family one and I am the part of the family, but I had never taken that as that I am also the this thing.
तभी तो हम आपको बताता है ना जी, तभी तो हम आया है.
Yes. अच्छा बताया.
So what is showing up in your life is your priority. आपकी जिंदगी में आपको कैसी जिंदगी है आपकी, बड़े आसानी से आपको पता लग जाएगा कि ये आपकी प्रायोरिटी है. आप जानते भी नहीं थे, आपको पता भी नहीं था. हाय नीरा, आपको पता भी नहीं था, पर आप अभी आंखें बंद करेंगे और देखेंगे कि आपकी लाइफ कैसी है और कहां कहां आपका ध्यान जाता है, वहां वहां आपने प्रायोरिटाइज किया हुआ है. and what is showing up in your life, Mamta, I got, is doing things for people.
That I love to. You got the energy. Love you, Kamal. Love you.
Dhaval, may I ask a question?
Yes, please go ahead. First, I'll come to, actually, Usha is waiting. Can I come
Sure,
back to
I'll
you?
wait. Sure,
Yes,
darling.
Usha.
Okay, what I have seen, if we do prioritize ourselves, sometimes people judge us that you are stubborn.
Okay.
You,
Okay. So what?
yeah.
So what?
And you are, means I am egoistic.
So what?
Don't want
I
to
am.
listen to
I
other
am an
people
egoistic.
like that.
I am arrogant. I'm egoistic. I am selfish. Whatever. So what?
Hmm.
Are you willing for people to judge you? You'll have more money, girl. Are you willing for people to judge you? Usha.
Yes, I agree. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So what is your priority? Pleasing people. My priority is that people should not judge me. My priority is that people should like me.
Hmm.
Is that working for you?
No.
If it is
What?
not, then what else is possible? How does it get
Possible.
any better than this?
Very given.
Look
Like
at
Mamta's,
look at
yeah.
what you have been choosing. Look at, be aware of what I have been choosing. Am I giving that a priority? Am I making others more important than me? Am I validating them more and invalidating myself? What's showing up is your priority, even if you don't know it. So get aware of what is my priority. Keep a book, keep a paper on next to you somewhere and pencil on top of it. And when your thoughts go away from you, go there and write it. मुझे वो ज्यादा ज्यादा important लगता है इस वक्त करना than listening to me. मुझे अच्छा लगता है लोग खुश रहे मेरे पे. मुझे अच्छा लगता है लोग मुझे जज नहीं करें. Write that down and pock and pot it. Where are
So,
you from? Yes,
so
go
I
ahead.
mean to say, just now you said like keep a paper and a pen and write it down. People like me, people judge me, and then I say all destroy and uncreate it out, open pot like that. Okay.
People like me, nahi. I do this because I want people to like me. This is my priority. Write down my priorities in life on top. 1, I like people to like me. I like people to not judge me. Everything that is destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, honor, short, boys, and beyond. Bills are my priority. I'm always thinking about paying bills. I want to pay more bills for me. Can you please mute yourself, guys? Okay, I muted all of them. So, are bills your priority? सारा टाइम दिमाग में वही चलता रहता है, इसका बिल पे करना है, इसको पैसे देने हैं, इसको ये करना है, उससे पैसे लेने हैं, उसके मैं बिल. Is that your priority? Just the acknowledgement that that is my priority. That is where I'm functioning from. And pocking and poddy will let it go away. Just choosing to acknowledge this is my priority, and everything that is, I destroy and get it all. for some time till the charge is not there will go away. Where am I functioning from? Is that what
Like-
you're choosing? Is that your priority? Usha, can I go to somebody else? Is there, are you,
One more.
you got it? Okay, go
Like-
ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
One more. This one just now, Mamta said that I think more about my children. That was implemented before when I was not in access. My parents like to say, you think about your children first, then about yourself. But now, since I'm in access, I change my mindset. I think for myself first, now, then my children. But at times, I go, out of the track. Then
That's also okay. That is also okay. And it's a habit, it's building a muscle. पहले कुछ इतने जन्मों से जन्मांतरों से यही करते आ रहे हैं, तो अभी चेंज कर रहे हैं, तो अभी अगर नहीं होगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा भी होगा, pat yourself. Oh, I remembered myself today. Can I have more of that? I felt good. Can I have more of that? Does this match my priority? What would it be like to choose everything in every now moment and in the future to choose that will contribute to my priority? First list your priorities. They can change in every 10 seconds. At this moment, my priority is this. It's okay to be family. But Mamta got the awareness today that she is part of the family. We think our family is separate than us. Then it always remains separate. आप जो मर्जी करते जाओ, वो कभी कभी नहीं पूरा पढ़ना. What if everything you choose will make a contribution to your priority? Be aware, be conscious, be present. Ask a question. Does this match my priority? Oh, it does. Come on, let's do it. No, this doesn't match my priority. I don't want to be sad. I want to be happy and I'm now sad here. That doesn't match my priority. Now, what else can I choose? And keep adding to your priorities. What if you are willing to add to your priorities? This is another one I want to be. This is another one. It could be million, not just 1, 2, 3, 4. What if you are willing to ask in every now moment when you are making a choice, even eating, getting up, walking, going, will this contribute to me, to my priority? Each and every time, each and every one of them. Is this my priority? It feels light. Yeah. Okay, fine. What contribution can this be? What contribution can this be to which of my priorities?
Someone is waiting. Sorry for interrupting.
Sorry, Harshita.
Someone is
Thank you
waiting.
so much. There are 1, 2, 3 people waiting. Thank you. Thank you, Harshita. Thank you.
Thanks, Kaval, for this lovely light that you've thrown on priority. I think someone has to be muted. I think Rajeshwari? I don't know.
नहीं, वो हर्षिता है ना, हमारी हर्षिता. अब कर दिया मैंने म्यूट. Okay, so Usha, is it okay? Are you happy? Are you getting it, darling?
yes. Thank you.
Thank you. So who was waiting? Gitu? Gitu, you wanted to ask a question?
Yes. Yes, may I?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, so two things. One is, at the beginning of the call, you said, am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so
yes,
at the
darling.
beginning of the call, you said, and even I mentioned what priority is, but then you said, can we just have a mental priority list? Like you asked us to close the eyes and you asked the question, is something coming? The moment I closed the eyes, there was nothing. So there was just vacuum. But the moment I get into the, uh, the mind, and then if I have to do calculations, then obviously I have things. But for a moment, I didn't had anything. I don't know. That's what came up for me right now. And then, like I said in the beginning of the call, you said a happy woman, the son of her life, family. Definitely yes. But have we
You're cutting off. Is it my net or yours?
No, Kamal, we can't hear her either.
No, but
Okay.
your line is
Okay.
clear, Kamal. Your internet is clear. We can hear you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
Yeah,
you.
we can
my
hear you.
internet's
We
here.
can't hear Gitu. Yeah.
Can you hear me now? I guess my internet is back now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, thank you. I guess something was there. Okay, so should I repeat the question or did you hear any
Yes,
part of
please,
it?
please do.
Okay, I'll be quick. And I was saying the moment you say we have to prioritize, but then Kaval, you said we can do a mental priority as well, right?
Yeah, go
What I'm
ahead. We heard
asking here
that.
is, okay, my question here is, we have to choose ourselves, okay, but what will it take for us to be there for every now moment? We don't do it. As you said, कि सालों से ऐसा होता आ रहा है, we will keep doing things for our own family, for our kids, and for everything. How, what will it take for us to choose in every now moment to prioritize our own self and our own happiness? This is the space that is coming for me. So
This
now
is the
after
question.
being
This
in
is the
that space,
question you ask. You have got
this
the
is the
question,
question
darling.
I asked. Okay, because it is changing, but even now I get back into, I'm doing this action to just show you that I still get pulled back. Okay. And I'm like, still I'll get into those trauma dramas. So I just have to change it.
Okay, 1 minute. So first, all of you get clear what your
Mhm.
priorities are. Not from the head,
Okay.
from what you're
Okay.
looking around. आपकी जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है?
Okay.
ड्रामा ड्रामा चल रहा है तो वो प्रायोरिटी है. आपकी जिंदगी में सब टाइम हर टाइम ये देखना कि ये काम वो खुश होएगा कि नहीं होगा, वो नाराज होगा कि नहीं होगा, फिर वो आपकी प्रायोरिटी है. आपकी जिंदगी में सुबह उठ के और कुछ नहीं करना, मैंने तैयार होना है, मैंने खाना बाद में खाना है, मैंने पूजा करनी है, मैं दैट इज योर प्रायोरिटी. सो जो कुछ भी आपकी
Got it.
जिंदगी में चल रहा है वो प्रायोरिटी है. आपको पता है या आपको नहीं पता. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप, ओ आई एम डूइंग दैट, एक्नॉलेज दैट. Oh, this is not working for me. Now, what can I do to change that? Now you have questions to ask. Now you want to poke and pot that priority and choose something different. Nothing is right, nothing is wrong. What you're choosing is you giving so much of importance to. You're making that significant. You're making that your priority. Today you get aware that you want to look after yourself. How can you do it when your priorities are not looking after yourself? Your priorities are 10 other things. Plants. My priority is plants. My priority is kitchen. My priority is cleaning the house. My priority is making people happy. My priority is not getting judged. My priority is trauma drama. And here I am saying I want to look after myself. Fuck you, bogus priority.
You caught me and you got the clarity. I keep doing all this. I would do everything for everyone and the house and each and every
मुझे
entity in my
कैसे
house.
पता लगा? मुझे कैसे पता? So are you willing
Thank
to
you.
unfuck your life?
Definitely. And I don't know from where this is coming up. कोई सुनेगा तो हंसेगा that I'm ready to fuck with my own self.
Yeah, please do that.
Thank
is
you.
time-
Thank you so
It
much.
is time to outcreate yourself. It is time to unfuck
Yes.
your life.
Yes. Yes.
Are your priorities big enough for you? Are your priorities fun? Are your priorities to be happy and joyous and free every moment? Or are your priorities to pay bills, to get it right, to be right, never wrong? To people to see me, I'm the best mother, the best wife, the best daughter-in-law, the best daughter ever born on planet Earth. Sorry,
Kamal,
sorry, if
आप
that
बोल
is your priority, you're not getting anywhere.
Okay. I guess while you were talking to someone else on the call, you said judgment. Are you ready to receive judgment? And the moment you do, you start receiving money or you start creating money. Uh, as I always say, it's easier said than done. I know you guys have, been into actions and build
Tathastu.
the muscle.
Easier
No,
said
no,
than
no, no,
done.
no, don't do
Tathastu.
that. No, no, don't do that. So I want to change it in this moment. I just
Change
want to
it.
change it in
Change
this
it.
moment.
Like this.
Right.
Frack. It's done with it. Now, whenever you choose it, be aware and not choose it. It's that simple.
Okay. So you're saying build a shield, don't let it go inside. Is that what you're saying?
No, you're not building any walls. Just not choosing it, damn it. अभी लग रहा है कोई ड्रामा होने वाला है. What humor can you use here? What ease can you use here? Can you have fun with that? Can you just enjoy that moment? See the energy and ask a different question.
Now that brings up that then if I do that in my world is showing up, then it'll be me being cunning or something. But I have never been cunning
Are
in my life.
you
But then
not
I should
cunning?
choose it.
You are cunning. You are everything. You are an infinite being. You can choose to be anything which works for you in one moment of time.
Oh, okay. I'm loving to be the guinea pig here right now.
Okay,
Thank you.
you are, aren't you?
Yeah. Everything that brought up pot and park that. Thank you so much, Kamal. Thanks.
You.
Kamal, can I say something here?
Yes, please go ahead.
See, when you said what is your priority, it felt really heavy. And I'm wondering why. I mean, why should it? Then that's when I realized that we are not making ourselves the priority and we're making everything else the priority. And that is why it feels so heavy. And we need to choose in the moment to, choose ourselves, be ourselves. And then everything started, lightening up. And as it clarified everything when you started speaking about priorities. Thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you for choosing you.
Kamal, I choose to see Sagri.
I know. I saw
There you
her
are.
morning.
Naira,
Can you see me?
Okay.
Hi.
You know what?
That
You
was
know
in
what,
my
Neera?
mind, Naira.
1 minute. 1 minute.
It was in my mind. Let's agree, open the screen, but you said it.
Yeah. So
I chose it.
So this is the rule, guys. Thank you. This is the rule that when somebody talks, has the video on.
Yes,
Yeah,
done.
there you go. ओए बंद कर दिया इतना जल्दी ये इतना मोती इतना थोड़ी देर दिखाया
I told you, no, I'm multitasking. I don't want to
I know
distract
she's
people.
got a knife, guys. She's got a huge knife. Be
I'm
very
cutting
careful.
vegetables. No, Kaval, it's really nice doing all this when I'm listening to you because it makes it so joyful. That's why.
I know.
Thank
I
you.
know. The work becomes joyful. Yes. That's how it'll look like. What would it look like? What would you like to create if what you're doing is contributing to your priority? How much fun can you have?
Yes.
But
Kamal,
come
can
for
I
me
say
when I'm
something
hearing
now?
your class, I want to just close all my work and sit here.
That is
I-
another choice. No choice
Yes.
is wrong choice.
तो मुझे लगता है काम चूम बंद करो and then just be in that moment.
Everything that doesn't allow ease, joy, glory, and elegance in everything you do, in every moment that you do, no matter Sunday, fucking Kamal, um, fun aging class, or whatever you want to do is what is your priority, and that's cool. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing right.
Can I say something here, Kamal?
Yes, Neera, go ahead.
When you were saying so beautifully, telling us, I mean, giving us the energy of what priorities truly mean and how we misinterpret it most of the time, and that's fine. We don't make ourselves wrong for that. तो मेरे को लगा वो वेब सीरीज आजकल बहुत पॉपुलर हो गई है ना, तो are we not web series with infinite episodes?
Yeah, of course
Infinite
we are.
episode. We are web series. कभी हम drama है तो क्या? Okay, drama. This episode is trauma. Okay. So now what is the next episode? Okay, maybe space. Okay, now we are space. Okay, and then slowly when that's also a point of view. When we come to a space and energy, and we do perceive it as this is what I would truly like in my life. Can I have more of this? Then maybe the next episodes, maybe 10 or 12, will have more or infinite. And sometimes you do want a little trauma. Don't we want, like, मैं ये सब कुछ करते फिर मेरे को लगता है एक मैं देखती हूँ पाकिस्तानी play, or I'll watch a Korean, whatever, or a Ukrainian movie. I bring that little thrill, that little drama. So kya ho gaya? Life is so colorful. It's full of joy, So a little drama here, there, not making me wrong. And then slowly, even with the drama, with the non-drama, you can have fun. And right now, when Sagri said that I'm cutting and I'm multitasking and having fun listening to you, mujhe aaya, oh my God, we can tap into Kaval's energy every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, not only for this 1 hour on a Sunday morning. What about making every hour a Sunday morning? Every hour a fun aging? Every hour the energies of this group and the energy of Kaval. Just tap into it. I don't tap into Gary and Zane right and left all the time.
I
How
do
can I have
that
fun with
too.
this? How
I
can I have
ask
fun with this?
I ask a question, what would Gary do
Yeah, how
here?
can I have this?
What would Dane
Yeah.
do here?
Yes. And for me, the magical question, along with the others, like, so thanks for sharing, is that I created this. The minute I say, oh, I created this drama and trauma, something that, is triggering me, oh, I created this trigger. Okay. So if I created this trigger, pat karo, I own, claim and acknowledge. Are kya bandi hai tu yaar, kya trigger create kiya? And now you can change it because it's triggering you, right? You don't want to be in this space. If you want to be, thoda aur sing. But if you don't want to be, then you have the wand to do it. And along with the wand, umpteen tools मिल गए हमको. Toolbox खोलो तो वो खत्म ही नहीं होते. Infinite tools हैं उसके अंदर. If you really choose it. And the simplest tool is open the toolbox, choose. That's it. Oh my God. That choice has opened that Alice in Wonderland thing जो हम लोग बहुत पढ़ते थे किताब, So thank you, Kaval.
Everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive in every now moment what works for you, what joy for you, what's fun for you, and also to be aware of where you are. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, honor, short, boys, and beyond. Thank you, Neera. Thank you. Yes, guys. Any questions?
No question. I want to see you. Akshay said, your ring.
I love you.
ऐसे Kaval his hand says,
How are you
his
doing?
other hand. Oh my
How
God.
are you doing?
That's so beautiful. Oh, nice. Yeah,
How
I'm
are you
doing good. Great.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah,
That's-
there is my co-sister also in the class. Jaya is running.
Who's your co-sister?
Jaya is running. She is here with us in the call.
Oh, lovely. Welcome, Jaya.
Yes.
Can you
Thank
show me
you.
your face? Can you show me your face, Jaya? Would you like to show me your face? Would you like to show up? नाम तो पढ़ लिया, शक्ल भी दिखा दो.
Well, can I ask you about access bars? That the
Yes.
moment we run ourselves the bars, yeah, we just implant band and two points more, and then we close the restructuring and tunnel time of space and all that. Should we do that
Yes, you
also?
should close it with, even if you do one or two or even one, like you just want to do implant band, then do structuring, because restructuring is like taking it out from the recycle bin also. It will not come back when you want to. हमारा recycle bin में हम डालते हैं सामान, तो फिर हमें जब चाहिए होता है तो हम वापस ले आते हैं, right? So when you just delete it once for all, it will go away. It will not come back. So you have to do restructuring.
Yeah, beside restructuring and then tunnel time of space, and that one also
That is
round
not
on me.
that I don't do. If you get the energy of it,
Oh,
please go ahead, do it. No wrong, no right.
oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Anybody here who would have any question in their head about priorities? So I would suggest take a paper or a journal, write down your priorities. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And then during the day, everything that you do, ask, does it match my priorities? If it doesn't, then what else is possible? What can I choose now? Am I having fun? That is also a priority. If you're having fun, the trauma drama, go ahead, do it. No harm. But is it matching your priority? Yes. Okay, fine. Now at this moment, I want to do trauma drama. Okay, go ahead. There is nothing wrong or right. You make it by judging it that this is wrong, this is right.
Kaval, I
Uh,
want to ask here that Neera said that we created it and we
Can
can change
uncreate.
it definitely. But then, why would a humanoid ever choose to create a trauma drama?
Ask yourself what makes that a priority for you?
What makes that a
Priority for you. Jhagda karna hai, what makes that priority for you? Maybe because you want to be right. Maybe it's your ego. Maybe you don't want to put somebody else down. Maybe it feels good to do it. So ask yourself, get aware of you, where you're functioning from. I choose this again and again for what reason? Can I have clarity, universe? What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can me and my body be to know exactly where we are functioning from and have total clarity and ease in this? And everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
yes?
Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod,
Yes.
on my short, boys and beyond. And it could be million things what shows up.
Thank you.
Oh, what
Kaval,
what
can you
makes
please
this show
repeat
up?
this clearing?
Sorry?
ये clearing आप please repeat करेंगे?
Okay. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, mystery, miracle, possibilities can my body and I be to be total at ease and clarity in every area of my life for all eternity? It could be, who does this belong to? It could be, I am having fun with this. That is my habit. It could be because I saw people doing it, because I've been doing it for millions of years. It could be million things. But when you say you want clarity, you will know why you're choosing it. And most of the time, it's not even yours. Who does that belong to? Push down your barriers and you will know exactly. So it's a beautiful question to ask also. What would I like my life to look like in 5 years from now? Will this choice create something greater? If it doesn't, fuck it, frack it, dump it, flush it, bury it, burn it. Anything that you want to do that takes it away from you if it doesn't work.
Thank you so much, Kaval. It's been like I don't have words for the call today. It's brought so much lightness, so much lightness. Thank you.
Awesome. How does it
Thank
get better than
Can
this?
I add something here, Kamal, after you all finish? आप बात कर लो फिर मेरे को चांस देना.
Anji, bolo.
Bolu. So I had, oh my God, I had heard Glennie's Sky, Voice of America, whatever. She does a lot of calls. And that also brought a major shift in my life. It has to do with trauma and drama. So she said, somewhere I perceived that I was resisting and reacting to trauma and drama. Okay? तो वो क्या होता है हमारे अंदर लगता है ट्रॉमा गलत है. Okay? Trauma and drama गलत है. Life should be like smooth, happy, peaceful. Trauma and तो बिल्कुल गलत है. So she said, when I perceive the energy, so you know the 4 things: alignment, agreement, reaction, and what is the other 4th? I just said that. So she said, I realized that I was avoiding it, I was hating it, I was rejecting it. I said, stop, Glennies. And what I did was, and that's why there was so much of drama going on, no? Because what you resist will persist. So we have to check within ourselves, are we trying to avoid trauma and drama? That means we're separating ourselves from it. Trauma and drama is there in this reality. So instead of separating, just being allowance and then acknowledge, okay, I've created this trauma and drama, but I'm not comfortable. Right now, it's not working for me. So how can I change it and use all the tools? But she said, when I realized that I was reacting to it and I was rejecting it, and I started being in allowance for the trauma and drama I was creating, being in allowance for everything in this universe, because consciousness judges nothing and is everything. She said, trauma and drama agar thoda bahut ho bhi jata tha, so I would work it in such a way that it would work for me. So I said, I thought I'll add this to it because it changed and brought a major shift in my life. I was avoiding drama and drama, thinking it was wrong. तो वो तो हमेशा ही होता था मेरे लाइफ में. वो सामने होता था, बैठा मेरे को बोल रहा है, अच्छा कर रिजेक्ट, मैं और आता हूँ, तू कर मेरे को रिजेक्ट करके दिखा. अम्मा 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 so तू करके दिखा, मैं अभी आता हूँ तेरे पास, मैं खड़ा हूँ. Will you accept me? Will you be in allowance of me? And that was the shift for me, Kaval. I started being an allowance of all the trauma. Trauma and drama. Big deal. I didn't make it so significant that, oh my God, I would not like trauma and drama. मैंने उसको significant बनाया नहीं. जब significance नहीं बनाया तो हो गया, तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ. So, and I knew I had created it. And slowly, I remember even yesterday or day before, there was a situation where I came to the conclusion that there would be trauma and drama. So I checked with myself. I said, Neera, are you still in rejection of it? Are you still avoiding it? Are you still in all that reaction to it and resisting it? I got a yes, because I was being brutally honest with myself. It only had to be with myself and ask. And then I said, okay, why? What is it? And I asked all this question, how can I do it? How can I change it? All those questions, जो मैंने लिखे हुए, वो मैंने energy को पढ़ा. And then I said, okay, I'm making it wrong again. Let's see what will happen. I mean, that trauma and drama could contribute. Who am I to judge that is not going to contribute? That is only going to cause a lot of uncomfortableness, a lot of discomfort, a lot of loud voices, or whatever. I have defined so well I've come to that conclusion. And really, I tell you, everything dissipated. हुआ भी होगा, नहीं भी होगा, मुझे अभी कुछ याद नहीं है. 24 hours ही हुए हैं. Because I uncreated and destroyed all my relationship with everything last night. तो मुझे तब कुछ याद भी नहीं है. I only know there was something I was resisting and reacting to.
Thank you so much. So also, guys, we also stress out. We also create drama and trauma when there are a lot of, how many people there are on the planet? And every
7
one of
trillion.
them has some drama coming in their life. Are you picking that up? One reason for that is our acute awareness of other people's thoughts, feelings, and awareness. And it, for many of us, it feels like, if we are not aware, it feels like it's in our head, and our head explodes when we are along, when we are in a group of people. How do you feel when you're in a wedding? How do you feel when you're with people, 20, 25, 30 people in a room? Not all of them feel good, right? So it could be stressed out to hang around with many people. And also there could be another reason to hang around with people, because we are making, there's an image that I have got in my head that who I am. And if I have to live up to that image, Neera, you are, can you put the video off? It's too disturbing, it's moving. Thank you, darling. So, okay. So I was talking about the image. Each one of us has an image that is in our head. मैं ऐसी हूँ, मेरे को ऐसे करना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसे दिखाना चाहिए. So when we are among so many people, we are keeping that facade alive. We are keeping that facade vital, important. लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर मैं ऐसी नहीं होंगी तो? लोग क्या कहेंगे? So it's so much of work, so much of stress. And it is basically impossible to create that image that we have got in our head with every person simultaneously. So ask yourself, do I enjoy my image, or I am undefined? People can never find out कि ये आज क्या करेगी. What is she going to come up with? अदरवाइज लोग भी कहते हैं ये तो ऐसी ही है, और अगर तुम वहां से थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो गए तो तुम उनके पेडेस्टल से नीचे आ गए. वो आप चाहते नहीं हो. पर हर रोज एक नई कमल, हर रोज एक नया facade. I call it facade because that's the image I create in every now moment. It gives me a little freedom from trying to be what I thought I am supposed to be. I am what I've created myself as. And then I'm going trying to prove that I am that. People will like me, people will not like me. And what will I do? They will judge me. What if all that went away from our lives? And we never had to pretend the image that we have thought we are. We could be ourselves. And we could have a priority to be ourselves. What if your priority was to be yourself? And let go of the image that we have created.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aarti, go ahead. You have to show yourself before you ask a question. Hi, Jaya,
Hello.
Jaswani. Hi.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but I think Kanwal
Yes.
is not in the group.
Hello.
Yeah.
Jaya, just wait. Kaval ma'am nahi hai group mein. She'll be
Okay,
back.
Okay.
Yes, Kanwal. Good morning. Okay, start. You're muted. Kanwal, you're muted.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, come on, Jaya, ask your question.
Yeah. Ma'am, you
केवल
were
रिकॉर्डिंग
talking
बंद हो गया
about.
है, केवल रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो गया है.
Recording चल रहा है, Mamta. Thank you. Yes, Jaya.
Hi. You were talking about setting priorities. If, this is my thinking that if set priority about myself, then I think that it would disturb our family. If I so it would be justified or it would be right to choose myself rather than the others. Won't it be selfish? I think ma'am is not again in the group.
Okay, what is selfish, Jaya? What is selfish for you?
If I choose myself, if I choose
Can
something
you
for
can you
myself,
can you can you let me in? Can you say, tell me an example? Give me an example.
hello.
Can you give me an example?
Suppose I was very ambitious about studies, and after marriage I continued, but not in that way what actually I wanted to do. And if right now I am choosing something for myself, I think that it would disturb my
How?
routine, my duties towards family, my duty towards my husband.
Kamal, you're mute.
Yeah, sorry guys. Listen, I've changed the internet. Maybe it will be better now. And I'm asking you, what are your duties towards your husband?
Mm, my duties towards my husband is that our both life must be satisfied with each other.
So, if he thinks that you shouldn't look after yourself and that will be selfish, uh, each other kahan aa gaya?
Matlab, our duties towards each other would be that we both must be satisfied. He is satisfying me in every aspect, but I am not satisfying myself
No, he is satisfying you in every respect. For
in
example,
every aspect.
how?
He satis. Our duties towards each other is that our life must be calm, must be not have any questions. We
Is
must be
that
satisfied.
who told you that? Who told you that to shut up and keep everything calm and quiet?
I am just sharing my.
Where did you learn that from? Hello, where did you learn that from?
It's
Your
just
mother?
my thought.
Your mother? Or
No, 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 no.
everybody
Mm,
around you? Did your mother do everything your father wanted to do? Wanted her to do?
no, no. Actually, they both are very simple. They do not have any extra ambitions and all that. But we today's
So
generation are having so much about ourselves.
is it having ambition selfish?
No. But
Then
if
what are you
it
trying to
disturb
say?
other than
What are you trying to say? That we will be happy when he cuts off parts and pieces of him and I cut off parts and pieces of me to only give priority to peace. Will you be happy in the long run?
no,
So,
no,
what I
not
get,
at all.
if I am empowering the other person to go create greater freedom to be who he truly be, I am being a contribution to him. And is he being the same contribution to me? Ki ja Jaya jile, ja Simran jile. क्या आपको आपको हंसी आई मेरे बोलने से? तो ये लाइटर है ना कि मुझे कोई जीने दे,
Yes,
ये लाइटर है ना? मर मर के
yes.
खुशी लानी, मर मर के खुशी लानी, कैसी खुशी है वो? खुशी
No,
तो
I
अंदर
was
से
just
आनी चाहिए।
asking that is it okay to think about ourselves, to set our priorities for ourselves only, not for others?
Okay. Now, what do you mean by that? Do you mean that there are two sides? जा मैं यहां हूं, जा मैं यहां हूं। अगर मैं अपना ध्यान रख रही हूं तो मैं इन सब का नहीं रख सकती। अगर मैं इनका रख रही हूं तो अपना नहीं रख सकती। क्या आप वो सोचते हो?
Yes.
You are an infinite being. You can do it all. क्या आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो? Is it possible for you to do everything that you desire to do?
Yes.
So, where are you defining ये करूंगी तो वो नहीं होगा? ये इस रियलिटी की डेफिनेशन है कि अपना ध्यान रखना मतलब दूसरे का नहीं रखना, which is such a big lie. कितना बड़ा वो झूठ है। जो परपट्रेट किया जाता है, और हम क्या करते हैं, उस लाई को इतना बड़ा बना देते हैं कि हम सबको अपने आसपास अपाहिज कर देते हैं। जो वो काम कर सकते हैं बच्चे, जो वो काम कर सकते हैं अपना छोटा छोटा, जूता पहनना, कपड़ा पहनना, खाना खिलाना, वो भी हम वांट टू बी अ गुड मदर, हम ये सब करने लग जाते हैं। कल उनको अपने आप खाना बनाना या खाना भी नहीं आता, और दूसरे दिन वो झगड़ा करके वापस घर आ जाते हैं शादी के बाद। हैव यू एम्पावर्ड देम? आजकल जो पेंडेमिक में लोग कहते हैं, बड़े प्राउडली लोग कहते हैं, मेरे बच्चों को कुछ नहीं आता। अब कोई मेड नहीं आ रही, वो खाना क्या करे, लोग, यंग चिल्ड्रन आर कमिटिंग सुइसाइड। हैव यू मेड देम गुड सिटीजन इन द वर्ल्ड? Are they capable of looking after themselves? If you were looking after you, will you allow them to look after themselves? It's not this one class and you will get all your answers. You will have to question yourself many times to see what it is. Getting out of the conclusions into question. पहला सबक यही है कि मैंने आगे से ये सोचना नहीं कि ये ऐसे ही है। मैंने पूछना है ये ऐसे क्यों है और मैं बदल सकती हूँ? ये क्या है, इसका मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ, और अगर हाँ तो कैसे? हर चीज को ये 4 क्वेश्चन पूछो। कभी ना कहो ये तो ऐसे ही है, मैं तो ऐसे ही करूंगी, मेरी तो सब कभी समझ नहीं आएगी किसी को, कोई मेरी सुनेगा नहीं, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी खराब कर ली है, मैं ये करना चाह रही थी। All those are lies that you're telling yourself again and again and again. You need to ask yourself in every now moment, ये क्या है, इसका मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ, अगर कर सकती हूँ तो कैसे? You will start getting the awareness, not answers. In Access, we don't have any answers. We have only awarenesses. Your awareness might be different than my awareness. And what is your awareness is great for you, may not be great for me. So there is no gospel truth. ये सच ऐसा ही, नू को ऐसा ही, डॉटर इन लॉ को ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, डॉटर को ऐसे ही होना। There is nothing. You make your own rules, your own reality by choosing to be who you are and allowing others to be who they are. It is one step at a time. ये मेरे को 30 साल लग गए हैं, अभी भी मुझे लगता है मुझे इतना सा ही पता है। So ये एक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट लाइफ है। वो जो हमें सिखाया गया है वो आज नहीं काम कर रहा। वो हमारे माँ बाप के लिए काम करता था। माँ को सारी जिंदगी यही सिखाया गया था कि तुम्हारा पति परमेश्वर है।
You have to donate your life for others' life.
या ये झूठ गुंडागर्दी अब बंद होनी चाहिए। ये आपकी जनरेशन ने बंद करनी है। I'm not in any way telling you revolt. Guys, be very careful. Looking after yourself doesn't mean cutting off your awareness with others. Looking after yourself is being smart, aware, conscious, present. क्या मेरी चॉइस है जो सब सुनना चाहेंगे? मैं यहाँ क्या बोलूं जो लोग सुनना चाहते हैं? And do what you want to do. Be smart, not like वो हमारे को पहले बोलते थे ना, गाय है लड़की जी, इसका खूंटा यहाँ से निकाल के उनके उधर बांध दिया, जैसे ढालोगे वैसे। बच्ची को छोटी होते हुए शादी कर देते, ये उसका अपना दिमाग अभी बने ही ना। ये these are all lies that we are being told. We need to change them. We need to choose ourselves. So we can see you every Sunday. It's going to be 9 every Sunday for your questions. Write them down and come with them. How does it get any better than this, and what else is ये दो question भी बोलते रहा करो. How does it get any better than this, and what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? कोई गलत हो रहा है तो भी, अच्छा हो रहा है तो भी, it will get better. और अगर what else is possible will give you the awareness कि अगर ये नहीं मुझे खुशी दे रहा, शांति दे रहा, happiness दे रहा, तो फिर अब क्या है? What else is possible? Be in awareness. Thank you, Jaya, for asking your vulnerable and asking your question.
Thank you.
Guys, any burning question before we wrap up?
It's like
Kamal, one clarification.
Yes.
yes,
About bars, you said to do the restructuring. Sometimes in the night, I just I just allow implant band and one other band to run, and then of course I'm asleep. So is it a good idea to do it when waking up?
No.
The restructuring?
No. Every night you can say implant band. No, you can say power band connect with 3 bars. Any bars you can choose.
Okay.
Money Control Creativity, power band and implant band, or anything you can choose. You can say power band connect with this and run dynamically all night long. You only said dynamically all night long. In the morning it will stop on its own.
Okay. So there's no need to do restructuring in the morning. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I mean, this question by Jaya, it is like empowering you, as what Access has told us, that empowering you, like empowering as a woman, like how to say it, but it is something empowering ourselves, right?
Yeah. Doesn't mean disempowering others. Doesn't mean revolting. आप फेसलिफ्ट बहुत करते हो, बड़े सुंदर होते जा रहे हो. Yeah. Yes, Sonal, you have a question?
Good morning, Kaval ma'am.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Ma'am, as you said that power band run dynamically.
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलो जी, हमको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि power
Can you hear me now, Kamal?
And at the moment, Galaxy M31 is talking. What's her name? What's your name, darling? I'll come back to you.
ma'am,
Kamal.
Yes,
जैसे
first tell
आपने
me your
कहा
name.
मैम आई एम महक
हाँ, महक, बोलो, अब बोलो. Everybody has to hear ना who you are.
मैम जैसे आपने अभी बोला पावर बैंड रन ऑल द नाइट डायनामिकली, तो हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं रन फॉर द टाइम इट इज रिक्वायर्ड.
Yes, why not? Go with your awareness. If you want to restructure, if you get your, I need to restructure, do it. There is no right, wrong, right way of. Your way is the highway. Your way is the great way.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Kamal, now can I ask a
Yes,
question?
please, but you have to show your face first. This is the rule here. When you ask a question, you show your face.
Okay.
Yes, Sonal, go ahead.
So, I just wanted to ask that there are quite a few people who run thymus exercise also at night.
You can do that.
Yeah, we can do that. Okay. So just thymus exercise run. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.